Hello all, welcome to my channel Codify with Sonal. Today we are doing an hands-on lab on EC2. First I will introduce you with EC2 and then we'll go ahead with the demo. Okay, so let's start. So what is Amazon EC2? Okay, so EC2 means what? Elastic Compute Cloud, which is a groundbreaking cloud computing web service offered by AWS, that is Amazon Web Services, delivers computational capability in the cloud. So it gives you the option to rent fully configurable virtual computers. What is it known? Instances in the AWS language. So on this cutting edge platform to suit their unique processing requirements. So now, as you know, AWS is a pay as you go service. So everyone who needs a virtual computer in cloud, they need a compute service, they can use EC2 and they can configure it according to their needs. Okay, so that's what the next point says. By letting users choose their own operating system, programming languages, and application servers, EC2 gives consumers complete control over their virtual computing resources. Clear? Now, as these resources are virtual, we need some security. We need to have a safe environment for it, right? So, in order to provide a safe environment for their applications, users can set up security groups and network access control list to control inbound and outbound traffic to their instances. Clear? Now, these are some more points which I would like to discuss. So, EC2 offers various purchasing options. You have on demand, reserved instances, spot instances, and allowing users to optimize their cost based on their application requirements. Very simple and easy point. So, CloudWatch. What is now CloudWatch and CloudTrail? They are basically the monitoring and logging services which are available with EC2. Instant store volumes and elastic block storage or elastic file system and other storage solutions are also supported by EC2. Like whichever storage is best suited for you cost wise and your need wise. Like in one of the question of AWS practice series which I have on my channel, there was one question needed for max IO performance. So that time you can use instant store, right? Choose the storage option which is best suited for your application. Users of EC2 can save time and effort during application deployment by creating custom machine AMIs. Okay, so of their instances that can be used to launch new instances with the same configuration and software stack. Basically, they are like templates, and you have all the configuration stored, and you can just with a click you can just launch it. So here we are in our console page, and let's go ahead and create an EC2 instance. Okay, so we'll go to EC2. And you can just check the region in which you're creating, and we'll just go and say launch instance. And I just name it as my first EC2 server. Okay, then AMI you have to select Amazon machine image, so we'll keep it as default. Okay, because it is a free tier eligible. Okay, so we'll keep that as default, that is Amazon machine image. Okay, Linux 2023 free tier eligible. Okay, then T2 micro, here the instance type. Why? Again, we are doing a free tier lab. We are doing a lab which we are doing it for practice, right? So try to use free tier things. Okay, then after that, key pair, we'll as of now we'll go without a key pair. Okay, and then coming to network settings, click on edit. Auto assign public IP, you should enable this if it is not enabled by default. Then just enter the security group name. As of now I'm just naming it as my first EC2 server underscore SG, that is the security group. In the description I will just write is that this security group is used to allow traffic to EC2 2. Okay. Now we'll add one more rule over here by clicking add security group, and we'll say HTTP, and we say here as anywhere. Then you just proceed and just say launch instance. Okay, it will take time, and by the time I'll tell you what is security group. Security group is a virtual firewall that you create for inbound and outbound traffic. So yeah, the instance has been created. Just let us go and check this. Let's see, the instance is in running state. My my first EC2 server. Now we'll try to SSH into our instance. So we'll just select this instance and we'll say connect. Just keep all the things as default, and we'll just say connect, and what will happen is it will in the browser it will open a new tab where you can execute your Linux commands. Okay, now first thing that I will do here is right now what is our goal? Our goal is to configure an EC2 instance to run the Apache web server, and we'll verify how it works. Okay, so first what you need to do is switch to the root user. So you do it as sudo su, and then you just need to give the update command, which is yum -y update. Now once this is completed, as of now it says that the last metadata expiration check was just done now. So everything dependencies or nothing to do, it's complete. Okay, so now we will install the Apache web server, for which the command is yum install httpd -y. So what is this doing is it is installing your Apache web server, and then once it is installed we will start the server. Okay, so yeah, it's complete. Now we will start the server by hitting the command as systemctl start httpd, and now we will enable the same. We will say systemctl enable httpd, and now we'll check the status. So you can see that HTTP service is started, the web server is started, server is configured, okay, and it is listening on port 80. And now what we will do is we will create and publish our web file, and we'll check it on the instance. Okay, wait, I'll let you know how to do it. Now we'll just give the echo command, okay, which says an HTML file which will go and save into index.html. Okay, and then what we'll need to do is we just need to restart our server. Systemctl restart httpd. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to hit the index.html after the public IP address. So first we'll go to our instance, okay, and we'll copy the public IPv4 address. So this is the address which you can copy from here directly. Okay, and open a new tab, hit the IP address and hit index.html. You can see, hi Sonal, I am a public page. So this is how we create an EC2 instance, and you can install the Apache server on it, and also you can put up a web page and try your server whether it is working or not. And if suppose you get an error, this is a troubleshoot method I'm telling you, that if you are getting an error on not found or not able to reach or something like that, the first thing that you should check in EC2 is the security group. Okay, Hopefully today's session was useful, and please let me know in the comment box below what would you like to see further, what service would you like to do a hands-on lab on. And if any one of you is interested in Solution Architect Associate certification, I have a walkthrough of practice questions, 2 series going on my channel. So you can just check them out. Stay happy and let's codify with Sonal in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. Do not forget to hit the bell icon to get a notification of the updated video. Thank you.